Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to report Facebook account. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app, scroll down. Okay, then choose on someone. Okay, then click on three dot option. Okay, then tap on report profile, just click, then something about this page. Okay, then report, then back, report profile, something about this, then adult content, okay, then submit, then next, then done. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.